Welcome back to the RV Rundown, the segment where we take a quick look at the hottest floor plans on the market today. I'm your host Barry, and I'm standing inside the 2021 Crossroads Sunset Trail 331BH. This is a family camper. It's got 3 slides, and I'm standing in the main room where we have opposing slides and this beautiful island kitchen. This features solid surface countertops, wonderful huge single basin stainless steel sinks, followed by covers to extend our counter space, 12-volt refrigerator, microwave with 3-burner stove and oven below, loads and loads of storage. Right here by the door, we have this awesome little pantry with adjustable and removable shelving, as well as our control panel right there where we come through. Now this is a bunkhouse model, and as we push towards the back of the RV, we run through what is the living room, which has this nice little entertainment center. We didn't option it with a TV, but you can put the flat screen of your choice there. It has a fireplace down below, and all of that's directly across from the sofa, which is a trifold. It pulls out to sleep too. Now in the back of the camper, we have the bunk room. This bunk room is really cool because this hides a few things. We have a sofa here. This is a jackknife. It has theater seatings, style amenities inside of it. There's a trundle bed hiding down below, and up top we can unsnap another bunk. All of this is across from 2 bunks that house loads of storage. You'll notice that it's in the wall panels and even up under the bunk, which you can lift and reveal. They even have cabinetry up above on the back wall. This bunk room is set up to set up a TV back here. And one other big surprise is it has its own half bathroom. It's got a foot flush toilet, a separate exit door, as well as a medicine cabinet for storage. Pushing towards the front of the RV, we'll go back through this beautiful combined living room kitchen where we pass the dinette. That too drops into a bed to sleep an additional 2 more people, and it has storage hidden underneath it. Passing through the bathroom, yep, this is a pass-through bathroom. It has a glass enclosure shower, foot flush toilet, loads of storage. We have essentially a dry goods closet with a hanging rack in there and shelves on the other side. A nice little fan above, and then pushing into the front bedroom, we have a king bed with a walk around the side. Now this is 50 amp service. It is equipped with 2 air conditioners, one of which is right here in the main bedroom. Main bedroom features standard storage, but one thing they've done that's pretty neat is they've put plugs and nightstands on either side of the king bed towards the back. Now, that's not the only thing that this here unit houses that's really cool. As we push forward again, let's head outside and check out the outside kitchen. Let's head out. Outside at the rear of the 331BH, we have a hatch that opens up to reveal this outside kitchen entertainment space. It has a nice big hot point refrigerator, as well as a little bit of storage, some metal surface countertops here that house our sink. And last but not least, it's got this great Capital grill. It's 100% stainless steel. It's powered by the propane system. I'm picturing us just cooking up hot dogs right now on this bad boy. You guys, I hope you really enjoyed this quick little tour of the 331BH from Sunset Trail. Until next time, happy camping.